Welcome to the IntelliSafeAir Automatic Tire Inflation System Installation Guide. Please read the full manual before starting. For support, email support@IntelliSafeAir.com or WhatsApp +80 618 1144 75101. Always wear eye protection. Park on flat ground with 1.5 meters of workspace. Use wheel chocks before lifting. Never install while the vehicle is running. Install the main unit housing on the crossbeam using the drilling template. Choose a spot that avoids impact and allows easy pipe routing. Secure with supplied screws. Install the switch assembly on the frame near the left edge, as far forward as possible. Keep the switch off. Mount the manifold distributor above the axle, forward and close to the cab. The protective cover faces forward. Drill holes on the axle using the measurement tool. Tap with M12 0.5. Remove all metal shavings. Remove tires if needed. Drill through the axle head using a 25 mm bit, then a 12 mm bit. Withdraw the bit frequently.
Install the axle core tube using the guide wheel.